Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads on this HUAWEI. First of all, you need to find an app called Files, and when you find it, click on it. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle and choose Downloads Received Files. Finally, tap on one of those sections, I will go with Download Manager. And as you can see, all my downloads are over here. In order to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!